Say hi, Ella.
So, I was in the middle of cleaning my closet. Well, not really cleaning. I was just trying to organize. I have two closets. This is one closet, that's another closet, and then in my bedroom I have another closet that Phil and I actually share because that's the walk-in closet. That closet's just like storage. Mostly I have like my backdrops and jewelry and all that, and this closet is where I have like my winter jackets and coats and stuff. I realized I stored some bags here in this closet that I don't really carry anymore, and I was browsing on my phone to see like what the new trendy app is nowadays to sell pre-owned purses or clothing or whatnot, and I found this app called Poshmark, which I downloaded right here, and I made an account just now because I wanted to sell some of the purses that I've had for a while that I don't carry anymore. And since I live in an apartment, I can't hold like a garage sale or a yard sale because I don't have a garage or a yard. So I thought it'd be best to sell some of my bags on these convenient apps. So Poshmark is a digital marketplace where I believe it's only available in the United States at the moment, but it's where you can buy and sell new or used clothing, shoes, and accessories. So if you guys are interested, you can download the app for free using the link in the description box down below, so please check that out. Now I'm going through some of these bags to take pictures of. I realized I don't have boxes to these items, but I do have dust bags, like this Burberry bag. I got it a while ago, and it's just this purse right here. I actually remember I used to carry this purse to carry just casually, and it was really convenient while I had it, and I kept it in pretty good condition. So I think what I'm gonna do is take detailed pictures of these bags that I have laid out here and put them up on Poshmark, and if you guys are interested, I'll put all of the information here. Hey guys, so it's actually a couple of days later. I actually just finished putting them into two different piles. I have one pile that's going to be on Poshmark that I need to take pictures of, and then the other pile is my donation pile. I usually don't like to sell clothes unless I think it's something that others would like or be interested in purchasing second-handed. So those things are in the Poshmark pile, and then the other things are in the donation pile, which I usually give away to my nearest Salvation Army. Please ignore all that mess. I need to get into that, but these are all the piles so far right here, and that I'm actually just setting it up here so I can take pictures of them. So I'm just gonna take some pictures of these and put them up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is my account I just created, and I just put up about 4 posts right now. I had to do some researching because obviously these are older, and I wanted to look up exact design models and what the style was and when I purchased it and how much it was when I had purchased it. And guess what? I'm already getting people that are interested in purchasing. Like, I've already had offers. I hope some of these are still available by the time I put this up, so that some of you guys that might be interested and can take a look at my closet. Wow, I look naked, but I'm not. Today was hair wash day, which is why my hair is wet. I wanted to do like a really simple skincare routine for you guys. I have a morning routine and then I have a nighttime routine, but my nighttime routine also changes depending on what my skin is looking like or how my skin's doing. Right now my skin's pretty normal. It's doing pretty good actually. I don't have anything on and it still feels pretty good. Like, it's not tight or anything. I did have some breakouts like over here and over here, but that's pretty much all gone. So these are like dark spots. So first thing that I do, which I actually already did, is tone my skin, and I use the THAYERS, this is the rose water. Literally my favorite. Like, this is, I don't even know how many bottles I've gone through, but look how much I have left. Like, I'm literally almost done. I've been using this for years and I will always forever continue to use this. It's literally my favorite. I put a little bit on these little cotton pads. This is the one with the exfoliating side. I don't know if you guys can see, but this side is rough. It's the exfoliating side. I also usually do a mask, I'd say once or twice a week, depending on how my skin's doing. Usually they're all like detoxing masks because those are my favorite. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my eye cream first, and I've been using the C-Tango multivitamin eye cream by Drunk Elephant. Guys, my under eye loves this stuff. I just literally use about that much, and then like I said, since I'm trying to fade some of these breakout spots, like these dark spots right here and just a little right here, I don't think I have any right here, I'm just gonna use my glycolic night serum, also by Drunk Elephant. Literally, like, everything that I use today is gonna be Drunk Elephant. And I just use about that much right there. And this might tingle a little for some of you. It did for me a little bit, but now my skin's pretty used to it. So that's my nighttime serum. In the morning, I like to use the c-firma day serum, also by Drunk Elephant. I swear this video is not sponsored by Drunk Elephant. And if I feel like my skin needs some extra hydration before I apply the cream, I use the Be Hydra Intensive Hydration Gel by Drunk Elephant. But again, since my skin's been doing pretty well, I'm gonna go ahead and skip that and just go right into the Lala Retro Whipped Cream, also by Drunk Elephant. Okay, so I just dried my hair and I slightly straightened it. I haven't had straight hair in so long. Look how fresh my hair is. Oh my god, I always love when my hair is like super fresh, but I also don't like it when it's like too fresh, because then I can't really style it, you know what I mean? So I'm actually about to head out just real quick. Today's just gonna be a lazy day. Sorry if you hear all these construction things going on. My apartment is redoing the roofs right now, so there's a lot of construction noises. So basically my lemon tree is dying, and there's nothing I can do to help it because we just don't get enough sun in that little area, and I don't think I can grow a lemon tree right now in this complex. So until we move to like another place where we get a lot of natural sun indoors and outdoors, I don't think I can do a lemon tree right now, which is really sad because it was doing really well at one point and then it just went downhill from there. So I'm gonna head to my nearest nursery that I always go to and see if I can find a friend for my banana leaf plant. I've been following so many houseplant Instagram pages on Instagram, and I've been inspired to, like, I don't know, I've been really just into houseplants, and I need something right now where it doesn't require a lot of natural light and sun, maybe just minimal, and it's just great for the indoor environment. So since I'm just stopping by there real quick and we're not doing anything too crazy tonight, I wanted to show you guys my lazy day makeup routine. It's not even like, I honestly like don't even do anything. Sometimes I just throw on some concealer on the areas where I need some coverage and maybe brows, and honestly that's it. So first thing I do is I get a little bit of hand sanitizer and I just kind of sanitize my hands. And then I use the Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. I've been loving this. I mentioned it in a previous foundation review. Just kind of splattered out. But I use about that much for my entire face. I think I want to try something new today. I just received these Milk Makeup Flex Concealers, and I have it in 3 shades. I also have their newest loose translucent powders, which I've already tried and love, by the way. This one is in Cream. And I'm actually just gonna use my fingers. The color was probably not the best. It looked a lot darker on the packaging, but it's actually pretty light. Okay, so now I'm just going to use my Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation in Light Ivory. I did a full review on this foundation, or cushion foundation, so check that out. I'll leave a link down below. That much. I've been loving doing my brows this way. I just love those little stroke marks. It makes it look like my brows has been microbladed. I know it looks a little scary right now, so what I do is I wait until it sets down, and then I just kind of like blend in the inner corners, and it just looks, see, much better. My lazy day makeup routine is literally just concealer and eyebrows, and then I curl my lashes. That's it. All right, so let's head out to the nursery. Literally am in heaven in here. I don't even know what to choose. I honestly don't even know if I'm allowed to film in here, but I'm at the outdoor place right now. Like, look at how beautiful this place is. Like, how can you not fall in love? Whew. I look kind of stupid, but let me just run through what I just did. First and foremost, I picked up a new house plant. I haven't transferred her into the pot yet. Are you ready, you guys? Yay! My new baby is here. I love growing from when they're like tiny. This banana plant tree actually grew from when it was like this small also. So I actually really love growing them on my own. I don't like purchasing or adopting plants that are already big and grown. So I am so excited to plant this one into my other pot that I have here. One thing that I forgot is soil. I realized I don't have enough soil to plant this one, and I want to give it a good home, so I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow. So until then, this baby has to stay in its original little room. And then I got hungry, so I picked up Chipotle. So I think I'm just gonna have some Chipotle while watching Mr. Sunshine on Netflix. That has been my new favorite Korean drama on Netflix. It's actually a Netflix original, which I'm really surprised it's really good.
시도라도 해보자고요. 다른 정인이 있으면 그럼 싸워야지. 누군지 몰라도.
So I'm currently editing right now. I just finished editing my foundation review, and that's gonna go live in like 10 minutes. By the way, I clip my hair up like this because later if I put it down, it becomes like a really cute wave. Like, look at that. Isn't that cute? I rolled this one going that way, and I rolled this one going the other way, so out of my face. That way they both have different side of curls like this, and you just have to like tussle it, and it's like really super natural beach waves. So every time I have to put my hair up because like it's hot or something, instead of tying it, I just kind of roll it and then clip it using one of these, because if I use hair ties, it's gonna kink the hair and make like really ugly hair kink marks. So this is so much cuter than that, you know? There's a little mini hair tutorial slash tip for you. Alright, so I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna continue editing and then put the video live. Not that fun. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next vlog.